Welcome to Career Coach, where it's easy to find a career you'll love and the education to help you get there. With Career Coach, you can explore careers, find the one that's right for you with the help of some relevant data, and choose an education path that will train you for that career. You can jump in by searching for any career or program. Not sure where to start? Take a quick assessment that will give you personal career matches based on your strengths. See which pathways are a good fit for you and quickly move into specific careers. Once you find a career you like, you can learn all about it with data on expected earnings, available jobs, daily tasks, job postings, top employers, relevant skills, and more. You can even see the programs that would prepare you for that career and apply right away. Quickly create an account to save your results. Just click the Sign Up button in the top right-hand corner. And once you're there, you can use our easy resume builder to put together a resume that you can download and edit at any time. There's a whole world of career choices out there. Career Coach is here to help find one that's right for you and connect you to an education path to get you there.